Ashley, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm graduating. I'm graduating with my master's in social work. Yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm just so blessed. Like, I literally might cry on graduation day for real, because I have these past 2 years, y'all. These 2 years, child, was a struggle. Seriously, it was really a struggle, but I made it. And yeah, I graduate on May 8th. But what I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna make one big video, one big graduation video, because today I am taking graduation pictures and the time is now 10:38. So I am going out today. I already have my dress. Y'all, it's a story behind my dress. Like, yeah, basically, long story short, I ordered 2 dresses off Fashion Nova. The first one I ordered, it was really cute. Like, it definitely gave Alexis. Like, yeah. But when I got it, it's were like droopy and just really big. So I just didn't like I guess like the material of it and like how it fit on me. So I didn't like that one, so I'm gonna return that one. So I got another one and it just came yesterday. Tried it on and it fits great. It's just pretty simple but pretty. So I gotta go and find some shoes to match it or to like wear with it for pictures today. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Try to find me some shoes, try to find me some stuff to do my makeup with, because yeah, I tried to get my makeup done. I'm gonna just do my makeup myself. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. She did really good. So yeah, that's what my day consists of. I am about to head to, where am I going first? Okay, so this is what I have to do. I gotta go to the bank. I have to get the money out to pay the photographer that's doing my pictures. Then I need to go to Ulta. I'll probably make the bank the last stop, but I have to go to Ulta to get some makeup. I'm gonna try to use the set and powder. I think it's setting powder. I don't know. Finishing powder, and then some other kind of powder. Cause I've been looking at TikTok videos, makeup for beginners, and I need to get Fit Me powder and a finishing powder. So I'm gonna try to find that in Ulta, and then I gotta go to the car wash. So I think the first stop, I am going to go to the further places first, and then yeah, so I'll see y'all when I get to Ulta. Okay, shoe store is the first stop. I did not know what I was doing in there. I caught myself looking at TikTok videos to be prepared for what type of products I needed, but still didn't know, child. I think for the most part I'm good. Like, I only spent $13. Yeah, total was $38.52 and I only spent $13.52. Okay, so I got this. The girlies on TikTok was saying this is good for primer. And then I got this for my bronzer, because I think that's what it was. Contour, not bronzer. I needed contour. Is it too late to take this back? Contour. Was it contour or it wasn't bronze? I think I needed contour. I think I'm gonna bring this back. I'm not gonna take it back today just because I just came out of there. Then I got this little spongy, and then I got this bacon set. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take that back because I needed contour, not bronzer. Yeah, I needed contour. But anyways, it's 11:23. I need to be home by 12. By 12 o'clock, I need to be home. So I need to go to another shoe store. And then I'm gonna go to another shoe store. And then I'm gonna go to the bank. And then I'm gonna go and wash my car. So yeah, let's go to another shoe store. We at the shoe store. Hope I find some shoes. Like, I'm running out of time. It's 11:40. Hey, good. How you doing? Good. Let me know if I can help you. Okay, thank you. These aren't too bad. Walgreens. It's getting hot out here, honey. Let's see if I can find some contour. Probably down here somewhere. Need this. Need this one. I don't know. At the car wash, I got my food already. I'm about to eat my food while I'm going through this car wash. The time is now 12:15. 12:15. We're gonna get through this car wash, and then I'll probably just see y'all once I get dressed. Now I'll come back to y'all and show y'all what I got on, how my makeup looks, because at this point I'm kind of gonna be in a rush because I need to leave out by 2 o'clock to get to my school. It's an hour, almost like an hour and a half maybe away, if that. But yes, I'll see y'all once I get dressed. Y'all, the time is 2:52 and I have to be at my school at 4 o'clock for these pictures. So I'm on the way now. School is about an hour and a half away, but yeah, I did my makeup. Looks really good. I tried a new makeup routine and I think I like this. Like, it's not too much, but it's enough. Like, yeah, so I'm on the road now, about to go to this school to take these pictures. I will show y'all like the whole fit once I get out and everything. But yeah, I'm just so excited because I did not take pictures for undergrad, so I was like, I have to for grad school. Like, it's a must. Like, I wish I would have took it for undergrad, but I mean, because I didn't, I'm taking them now. But yes, I will see y'all once I get there. I'm about to make this hour and a half drive. And yeah, when I get there, I'll see y'all.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Just lie for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Chad, we out here taking grad pictures. Cutesy. It's so pretty out here. Like the fountain, the water, and the new bridge. It's so cute. It's so cute. I can't wait to get my pictures back. So I am done taking pictures. I am on the way home. Yeah, I ended up just changing out of the clothes that I had wore to take the pictures in, just because I wanted to be comfy. We went out to eat afterward, and it was just really nice. It was a good time catching up with them. Yeah, it was just a good time. So yeah. I'm not gonna, y'all gonna be tired of me, because yeah, everywhere I go, master's degree. I worked so hard to get this master's degree. Like, we was just talking about just everything pertaining to the program. I had to do 500 hours at an internship that I couldn't even do at my job. y'all. So I am like, it's just a whole different ball game for me. Like literally going to work full time, 9 to 5, 8 to 5, getting off from my job, going to my internship till like 8 o'clock, literally. Not a paid internship, y'all. Free hours, like 500 hours, starting in August up until like a week or two ago. And I'm graduating May 8th. Thank ya. So I'm gonna make one big vlog. This is gonna be from me taking my grad pics to me walking across that stage. Y'all will see me soon.
I'm so excited and honored to be here with all my colleagues, as well as our students, their families, their friends, our colleagues in other departments and across campus. We are just so glad that you are here with us tonight. Graduates, here.
Alexis completed her specialized practicum experience at the Terry Hess House Child Advocacy Center. She used her practicum experience as a framework for her capstone project focused on transformative social work in the area of child welfare. Her supervisor states that Alexis has been a wonderful asset to our kids and families. Alexis will make a wonderful social worker and wish her all the best of luck. Alexis has been a dynamic MSW student, both in the classroom and in her practicum experience. Congratulations, Alexis.
As you go forth in this world, please know that we are here for you at any point that you need us, and we are so excited to pass this baton on to you and see the ways in which you make a difference in the beloved community. With all the love in the world, thank you. Graduates, if you would please remain here for just a minute, we'd love to get a group photo with everyone.
Good morning, you guys. It is 8:11. I have to be at the school at 8:15, so my arrival time is 8:20. But I am on the way now. It's graduation day! So excited. Graduating with my master's. Yes, I'll see y'all once I get there. I'm trying to beat this traffic and do what I need to do. Thank ya. Oh, shout out to Shania for the fans. I don't know if y'all can see. So cute. So cute. I made it to graduation. Y'all, I'm late, but they still sitting out here. Thank God. Thank God. We're walking. Yay!
Come, may you pursue them with confidence. And when others need you, may they find it in you. May the lessons learned at Wingate continue to guide you. The friendships formed here continue to strengthen you, and the memories made here continue to inspire you for the years to come. And may you always remember that wherever your path leads you, you will always be a part of the Wingate University family. Congratulations again, class of 2026. Go forward with faith, pursue knowledge, and serve others well, and walk in peace. Amen.
Alexis Marie.
Yeah!
Lauren Elizabeth Whitley.
From right to left, you signify your transition from student
Do we do it? You guys, graduation is over. I'm on the way home. Y'all, I'm just so appreciative for how the people in my life show up for me. And not just my accomplishments, but just in every aspect of my life. And I just love them down. I just love them so much. Everybody, all of them. After graduation, I had went out to eat, and now I'm heading home. It's currently 2:13. Yeah, I'm just a master's degree. Masters. Thank ya. I finally found me something to wear for tonight.
Shout out to Shania.
Shout out to Shania. Yeah, so the time is 5:47. We did good. I said I wanted to be home by 6 o'clock, and it's 5:47. We did good. I think I'm about to take a nap. Like, as long as we leave out by probably 7:30ish, maybe 7:30ish, 7:45, the latest, then that should be good time. I think I'm gonna wash my face, clean my face off, and redo my whole look, and we're gonna come back to y'all once we dress.
I'm in a Dominican.
That wasn't too bad. The time is now 1:33 and I made it home. Y'all, it's been a great night. I'm ready to get into bed. I'm exhausted, but yeah, I'm officially a graduate. Had a great time today. It's been a long day, but yeah, so this is the end of my vlog. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe, and make sure that you turn that post notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post a video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.